Joe Hart has a cut in his eyes, but nothing important, so he will. It's always important, but it's not dangerous, and he can play without any risk.
Are you confident that now he is back in the side, he will return to the best goalkeeper that he can be?
I hope, of course. Everyone knows why Joe Hart was the first goalkeeper, or is the first goalkeeper here in England, because he played 2 or 3 years in a very high performance. On the performance, he can do it. So we hope that he will continue in the same way.
Are you looking at the transfer window now? Have you got plans for any players coming in or any players going out?
No, for the moment, we are not talking about that. We are always analyzing what we need, what we don't need. The possibility of the window transfer for every club. We'll see what we are going to do in the next days.
2 wins over Christmas, which is fantastic. How do you look at the title race now when you look at the table?
I think that it was a fantastic month for us. We played 10 games during December, and we won 9, and we drew just 1. And in Premier League, we won from the last 7. We won 6. So it was very, very important for us to recover points with Arsenal. That they were 6 points on top of us. So it was very important to finish the year in the position that we wanted to be. Always better to be first, but I think that to recover 6 points in a month is not less things. So we continue also Capital One in Champions League. So I think that the first 6 months of the year was very good for us. We prepare all the competitions that we are playing. Now in the second half we try to win it.